right. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you on how to make your computer faster. All right, without all these annoying startups and other files that maybe the reason why you have this slow computer. Most of the time it's not really that your computer is infected with a virus. Sometimes it's only the application, it's only on how you maintain the computer. Because pretty much if you know the basic on maintaining your computer, um, you don't need any tech support waiting on their queues, calling them on how to make it faster. Yeah, you can do it yourself. Anyway, there's YouTube already, there's Google already. Um, there's a lot of things that you can find there. Yeah, this is just an additional for me to help people, especially my grandpa. My grandpa. Every time I visit him, um, and every time I use his computer, it's it's fucking slow, guys. It's fucking slow. It would take like 5 to 10 minutes just to open his computer because of this annoying, annoying startups. And then when I get into his computer and I open his browser, same thing. So, aside from that, this is just like a preview of what I'm gonna show you. But anyway, um, first of all, I'm using three different browsers. I'm using Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox. I'm gonna show you on how to clear your browsing histories on each browser. All right. I also created a notepad here just in case. I just wanna show you. Always step one. Always delete your browsing histories. So let's start with Google Chrome. With Google Chrome, well, there's several ways. I'm not sure if I'm using the latest uh, version of it, but I think so. I am using it. So all you have to do is to click on that three dots on the upper right. All right. Once you click it, just left click, guys, and then you click on settings. Left click, and it will show you this page. All right. Yeah, I think I'm using the latest one though. So anyway, if you want to manage your search engine, this is where you need to click it. Yeah. So this is where you manage it. You add several options, several links now. If you want to make your browser, well, this is my default now. So normally, if it's not your default, you just have to click on make your default browser. All right. So I'm gonna go in advanced right now. Okay. I'm gonna go in advanced, and you'll see this link right now here, or this page here, clear browsing data. All right. This is your browsing histories. So guys, this is where you go most of the time, starting when you bought this computer. This is all the website where you went to. All right, and then download histories. This is what you downloaded online. All right, some cache images and files. So this is, normally if you open your browser, there's already file images that shows up, cookies and other site data. Yeah, there's most commonly with passwords. All right. Anyway, most of the time I do all of them. Okay, so you just have to tick all of them, but just be mindful about it. That, for example, if you choose password and cookies and other sites data, like for example, if you go to an email and you put your username and password, it's auto save. It will be cleared, so you need to retype it. All right, my grandpa, um, he always forgot his password. All right, so what I I do is auto save it. So, but anyway, it's up to you guys. If you still remember your anything, your username and password in all websites, bank, Facebook, YouTube, anything, you can just simply do it, and it will definitely make your computer faster. All right. So just clear browsing data. That's it. All right. Clear browsing data. This is a simple way for you to do it. All right. That's for Google Chrome, and for Internet Explorer. Um, you know what? This is pretty much. I'm not really using it anymore. All right, I'm not using this anymore. So I'm not sure if anyone's still using it. Maybe old computers, Windows XP, but I'm still using Windows 7. Windows 10, I believe they're using Edge already, so you don't need this. But I'm still gonna show you anyway. Just just click on Tools, click on Internet Options. All right, and you'll see the browsing histories field here. Delete temporary files, histories, cookies, and save passwords and web form information. So you just have to click on delete. The same thing, just click on delete, check all of them, and then delete. I'm not gonna do it because I always do it once a week. Alright, that's for Internet Explorer. Let's go to Mozilla Firefox. I have two Mozilla Firefox. One is the developer version and just the regular version. I use this Firefox Developer Edition, yeah, because I usually post online. Anyway, let me show you on the regular edition because this is most commonly you use. Um, Most people use this. I use this when I used to work with one of telco in Australia, so they're using this kind of browser. Anyway, all right, this is not my primary browser though. I love Google Chrome. Yeah, so Mozilla, um, they do have similarities with Google Chrome. You just have to click on that icon. I believe this is not the latest version though, because I'm not using it, but I'll show you anyway. Most of the time, if you want to go to the settings of your browser, you just have to click or find the options or the icon for the settings. And most of the time, it's always on the upper right. So you go to menu and then you click on histories and you clear recent histories. This will definitely make your browser faster. Alright. Okay. That's it. That's for clearing the browser. Second thing on my list, this is always disable your startups page. So this is what I'm saying earlier. Um, every time you open your computer, there's a lot of startups loading, all these installation. If you do the installation, you have the option there to make it on a startup list. Okay, and to tell you honestly, we don't want that. You don't want the application to start up as well every time you start up your computer because it will definitely make your computer slow. Okay, usually what you just have to do, this is applicable for Windows XP 7 or even 8 and 10. You just have to click on the Windows orb on the left side. This is it. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the easiest way to do it. There's several ways you can do this, the shortcut thing, but I'll show you this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to type in msconfig. I'm not gonna spell it. When I was working in a call center, we usually spell it. So customer, M for Mary, S for Sierra, C for Charlie, O for Oscar, N for November, F for Foxtrot, I for India, and G for Golf. I'm not gonna do it anyway in here. Alright. Oh, I just did that. Okay. Alright. Just for you guys to make it, to type it correctly. Anyway, yeah, msconfig. This is where you modify your startups. You just have to click it. Alright. And this is it. There's several page. You don't want to click on other things there. Just click on startups. You see all of these checks those are the applications, all right, that usually starts up as well every time you open your computer. So sometimes if the application will be like if it will load a large file, it will definitely take time to load your computer. All right. Some application, yeah, you would require that, so you don't have to open it. But what's the sense of you putting it on startups if you still need, if you see the icons in your desktop, you just have to click it. All right. Most of the time, uh, for me, I would require the antivirus to be on the startup. Yeah, so you feel secured about it. Yes, that's pretty much it. You just have to click apply, uncheck. By the way, you just have to uncheck all of this so you don't have any startups. All right, just click apply and press OK, and you will be having, you will be losing all of these startups that every time you open your application or every time you open your computer, it will definitely be gone. All right. Normally it will ask you to restart your computer. Okay, just have to restart it. I'm not gonna do it because I don't have much startups here. I'm just showing you on how to do it though. All right. Um, Defragmentation. Okay. This is the step 3. I usually do this once in a while if my computer needs to. Well, to make it easier though, to simplify, because if you will find the meaning of this in Google, um, definitely it will give you, if you're not a techie guy, it will definitely give you headache. Anyway, you see all of these files that you have here. From a defragmentation, you do it, all right. If your computer or if your files are not um, um, filed correctly anymore. Like, this is just like you have files in a drawer. You keep on getting files every day. You return it without, you know, um, putting it correctly. Definitely, there will be times that once you've tried to find another document again, you'll definitely be having hard time on finding it. Yeah, because they're not filed correctly. So this is what we're doing here. In a computer, we're trying to fix all your files. We're putting it correctly again so that every time you open it, it will just open immediately. Because what will happen if your device is not defragmented, um, it will definitely be slower. So this is the third steps that I'm giving you guys. It's really important for you to do it. Alright, so for Windows 7, just have to go to computer. Um, Alright, you have this local disk C, local disk D. Some of you guys will have many, but I have only 2 here. All you have to do is to right click local disk C and click on properties, and then you click on tools. This will be the defragmentation. So you just have to click on defragment now. Local disk C. So what you have to do basically for you to know if you really need to do it, you just have to analyze it. Alright, analyzing it will tell you if you need to run this disk defragmenter. Yeah, if it will not tell you to run, then definitely you don't have to do it. Again, this is once in a while, so you can put a schedule on it. Automatically will do it, but of course your computer should be on. Um, what else? I'm just showing you everything at 23%. I'm just gonna show you if my computer or my local disks need to be defragmented. Okay, 23%. It's taking a while, man. Come on. Well, just to give you an idea as well, mm, this is by manually doing it. There are applications right now where you can, I'll minimize it first, where you can do it automatically. Alright. I'm actually using this AVG one click maintenance. So it will do everything. Click, clean browsers, everything. Yeah. Pretty much simple way, right? But I'm gonna show you. You can just simply download it. You just download it in your computer, and do it. But now, for me, they're not really doing it all, because every time I run it, I still have their history. So I'm just doing it the manual though. So this is really advisable for you to do it manually instead. Yeah. Okay. 26%. Let's just wait for this one. Um, we need to wait for this 26% analyzing, because so I can show you, on what to click next. Yeah. 28%. Come on. 29. 30%. Please, 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 please. If you will notice, um, yeah, I'm just waiting for this. So we just have to wait for it. 34%, 35%. All right. By the way, this application, oh, there you go. So this is the meaning of it. Disk defragmenter consolidates fragmented files on your computer hard disk to improve system performance. So come on, if you're like a granny, or like you were born when the computer was not, well, technically it's not been the used device before, right? So what the heck is disk defragmenter? Yeah, definitely consolidates, but fragmented files. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much not really good idea. Well, now these days, yeah, most of the, I would say most of the teenagers right now, they will definitely knows what this is. And usually, even if you're not a computer savvy, or even if you're not like major in computer thing in college, really have this. It's how useful the internet is. If you have internet, if you have YouTube, if you have Google Chrome, or if you have Google, or even Yahoo, man, even if Yahoo, no, just using Google always. So this is um like what I'm saying. Every time, as long as you have internet, you will search everything. Yes, it is. You can definitely search everything. Okay, so we've been running this recording for how long now? Let me check this. 19 minutes. Wow. Oh, please. I just need 20, 30 minutes, please. We're almost done, because it's really hard to upload it in YouTube. Well, it's really hard because our internet here is not really good. Um, I'm here. Guess what? Where am I right now? I'm at my house. Uh, you're actually watching this from Philippines, yeah, which is one of the slowest internet service ever. Yes. Well, I'm paying up to 2 Mbps, and most of the time I'm only getting around 1.67, 1.6 Mbps, which is really bad. Cause you know, I used to work as a tech support, as a help desk support, um, in a telco and a telecommunication internet service provider specifically. We're helping customers from Australia, and definitely their internet is way better than this. Okay, so I guess we're done. Okay, you see this one, 4% fragmented. So this is actually what I'm talking about. So if it's fragmented, all you have to do is to do or run the defragment disk. Alright, because this 4% fragmented, it will still make your computer slow. So I'm gonna do it. Okay, you just have to highlight it. So if it's 0 after you run all of this test, you don't have to do it. But since I have this 4% fragmented here, I'm gonna run it. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight it and then click defragment disk. Okay, highlight it and defragment disk. So you see, it will analyze it again, and once it's done analyzing, it will give you the percent on how many percent it you able to do this defragmented application. Yeah, so this is gonna take pretty much a while. In my experience, it would take hours. Yeah, just on how to do it. I'm not really using the best computer out there. I'm just, you know, um, mid gaming computer, I would say. So you just have to finish it, and then once it's done, just close it, and you can use the computer. And you can, you can also restart your computer. All right, that's the third thing. We're on the last page now. Again, I'm aiming for 30 minutes video. Clearing your temporary files right now. So this is pretty much easy. I'm just gonna minimize it though. Okay. Um, you're doing this because of, every time you install application Windows, they created a temporary files. Some say it's a backup, but I don't think so, because if you open it, you don't have the installation program. But anyway, it's not really useful for you to have it. So all you have to do is to click, just have to type in %temp percent. Alright, this is for the temporary file folders of Windows. So that's percent, T for Tom, E for Echo, M for Mama, P for Papa, and then the percent symbol again. Just have to click on temporary files. You see, I have all of this here. Alright, this is the League of Legends patch that I did yesterday. You see this, yeah. You don't need this, especially if you have a computer that you were not able to do this before. It will give you all this. Aside from this, you can save more, uh, uh, file or storage data. All right, in your computer. All you have to do is to Control A, just highlight it, just click delete, and boom. There are certain documents there that you can't delete, so don't mind it anymore. Okay. Pretty much that's it. We're done with on how to do it now. Yeah, not 5. It's only 4. Well, for your grandpa, 4 easy steps to make your computer perform faster. All right. So yeah, I hope you watch this video. I'm gonna save it in your Google Chrome browser. Put it in your favorites. Yeah, so you can watch this every now and then. Yeah. Love you, pa. Yep. Thank you. Hope you find this video useful. All right. Bye bye.